Hello dear friends, my name is Edgar Cabrera and we are ready for the start of our Neobiotech 2024 Symposium in Istanbul. Where I will be talking about the CMI implant fixation, an optimal design for any time loading and holonex technique. Every day in our practice, we handle patients whose main reason for consultation is oriented to the immediate treatment that they require, a situation that we solve with implementation of optimal macro design of implants, CMI fixation, and its connection. Reason for increasingly feasible to do with a high percentage of success, despite existing backbone and tissue conditions. Considering on the initial interdisciplinary management of atrophic jaw, the diagnosis, planning, and execution with integrated surgical techniques like Olon 4, 6, 8, and obviously our holonex technique, combined with oral rehabilitation, is very important to take advantage of the regenerative potential of the jaw and be able to offer to our patient aesthetic plus function with immediate loading concept. Remember, my friend, I will see you in Istanbul.